Greetings, my fellow Jamaicans. I am Odell Marsh, the Junior Shadow Spokesperson on Transport and Works. What I want to see for Jamaica is a modern, efficient, and robust multimodal transportation system and transportation centers that become the hub for economic growth and development. I want to see a system that spans the entirety of Jamaica and not just the Kingston and St. Andrew metropolitan area. I want to see a Jamaica where we have legislations in place that governs how we do infrastructure repairs to our roads and our bridges to ensure that they're maintained for generations to come, and to ensure that we have proper systems in place for debushing, road patching, and anything else to ensure that we are able to maintain our road networks and our infrastructure, not just for today or tomorrow, but for ages to come. I wish for my Jamaicans a Merry Christmas, one that is free from incident and all accidents. I encourage all road users to be safe this Christmas, and remember, don't drink and drive. Time come for a really Merry Christmas and a powerful 2024.